What's up, everyone? Welcome to One Spot Attractions. Hello! Just wanted to thank you all for coming and watching this video. And thank you for watching all the videos that I've made and liking them. I really can't appreciate that. Wow. I know that this is all new to me, and I am just excited to go on this journey with all of you. I've never made videos before. I never edited. I never done any of that. And now I'm doing it. And that's amazing to me because I've never done it and it's something new. So I'm excited, and I'm excited to bring you all with me on this journey. I'm excited because eventually I'm going to be going live with the live streams, and I want to bring you all with me. I want to take you guys to the parks. I want to take you to the resorts. I want to take you to Disney Springs. I want you guys to experience this with me because I've seen live streams of Disney and it brought me there. And I was just so happy and excited to watch those videos. So I'm excited to make them myself and have you guys join me. So I hope you guys stay and continue watching the videos, and I hope you really enjoy them because I'm really enjoying making all this content so far. I am having so much fun, and I just am so excited, and excited that you guys are coming and watching and enjoying them yourselves. And I will get better. I'm sure I will, with the editing and all that stuff. So just stay and work with me. We'll grow together. But thanks again for watching. Again, my name is Kristy. I'm a military spouse. We move around a lot. We just relocated down here this summer, and that was a rough move. Probably the roughest move we had in our military career. So that was just, don't want to talk about it. Not now, at least. But we're excited to be here. I'm excited to be here because I just love Disney. I've always loved Disney, and I've been wanting to make videos for Disney like this for a very long time. Just never had the opportunity to actually come down here and do it. And now I'm here to do it. And again, short video. Just wanted you guys to meet me, and hello to everyone again. And I want to thank you all for watching, and thanks for coming with me on this journey, and I hope to see you real soon.